to my channel. Hope you have subscribed my channel. If you have not subscribed it yet, please subscribe it now. You might have missed my previous video. They are really amazing. Do watch them also. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get notification. Today we will be doing DIY, do-it-yourself activities. This time we will make a water pump which pumps out the water. For this we need a bottle, a balloon and a straw. Make a hole over right here. Then insert the straw inside like this. Then you need to add water. Ask someone to help you. Now we have to inflate the balloon and put it top of this bottle. Take someone's help. See, we have inflated the balloon and put it off of this bottle. When I release it, air in the balloon will push the water and the water will come out from the straw. Once I hold it back, the air will stop and the water will stop coming out. Let's roll. See, I have held it tightly and the water stopped coming out from the pot. Once I release it back, the water will come. So guys, today we learned the air in the balloon pressurize the water and the water comes out. Okay guys, you can also try at home. Please like it, subscribe it and share it and press the bell icon to get latest updates. Keep sharing guys.